major aim of this summer program is we want to make students experience variety of the mathematics field from applied math to the pure math. In particular, we provide a mathematical biology and topological data analysis, number theory, and differential geometry so that students can experience a variety of mathematical field. And then throughout this experience, we wish they choose their most interesting mathematical field, and then we wanted to provide a talented Southeast Asia student to apply the Kaist math department program. As a graduate student, that's another aim of the summer program. So if you have an interest to study in Kaist math department, this is the best opportunity you can experience before applying to the Kaist. So please apply to the Kayak summer program.
Totally, for this summer school is really great. They give me some new experience for me, and the other things that I have never heard, never lecture, and never think that I going to get before. I recommend that for the guys who have interested in math and the other field applying of math. It's really great to joining this Kayak program. Good things from my experience this year. Gonna be really great to you as well. Most impressive about the lecture is it was like mathematical biology. They let me lecture about the new way to study math and to apply math in another field like biology, which I think is kind of the different way to learn and to work, but they can work together and get some new things that is really good for the future or on the field that biology do, which apply math.
For the summer school, I look it's very nice. We can studying about math and biology, the topology. You know, Kaist is very big and everything about here is very great. So that it's hard for me to talk of all of them in the few minutes, but I will recommend something. For me, it's very difficult to compare about the lectures because all of them are great for me, very great. Just stay quiet and focus about the lecture. The professor all try their best to give you new information. Just focus, pay most of your attention to get something new to upgrade about your knowledge.
여러분, 내년에도 이 좋은 프로그램들이 더 많이 알려져서 외국에 역량 있는 학부 학생들이 많이 지원하면 저희들은 올해보다 더 큰 예산을 확보해서 더 많은 학생들에게 학술 교류와 문화 체험에 좋은 기회를 제공하도록 하겠습니다. 많은 참여를 부탁드리고 또 주변의 친구들에게도 많이 권장해 주시기를 바랍니다.